Hello everyone, this is Harjeet Gill from AH Brands. Today I'm going to show you how you can make extra money if you are using a NRS Plus liquor store POS system, and it has lots of features most of retailers are not using. If you use that feature, you can make some extra money. We always talk about this machine, this POS is a money making machine. So today I'm going to show you how you can make extra money if you have a NRS Plus liquor store POS system. Like right now you are seeing on the screen the POS system on the screen. Let me blow up a little bit. You can see more bigger screen. Okay, this is the POS system. Once you click on the register, okay, let me go a little bit more down. Okay, uh, everybody know if you are running the this POS system how does work. There is some feature lots of people do not know. I'm going to show you. Okay, if you go to the your right side, there is a three tab. One is says pinless recharge. Next one is a Boss Revolution portal, and the next one is a beer club. Uh, 99% 9% retailers are not using this feature, Boss Revolution portal. Okay, through this portal you can recharge most of the America's prepaid phone, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Simple Mobile, Metro PCS, Cricket. So each time you recharge the your customer phone, you get around 10 to 15% from the bill. So it's every carrier is different. You also can recharge the international phone, like lots of people in Mexico. Like I'm from India. I have family in India. They have the Airtel phone. I can recharge their phone from here. This product is very popular in Mexican community. If you have lots of Mexican customer, if you promote this product, yes, you will make the sale, additional sale. So how you do it, I'm going to show you. Click on here, Boss Revolution portal. Okay, once I click on the here, the system will ask you account number and password. Each time you buy the POS system, uh, uh, it is a mandatory. We create your Boss Revolution portal. Okay, everybody have it. If you do not have, call your sales rep. They will give to you. Like once I click on, it's already saved on my POS system. You have to enter your account number and password only one time, like I did. If POS will save it, everything. You click on the login. Okay, once you click on the login, you will see this one, this screen on your POS system. Uh, uh, on your POS system. Once you click more down, here it says international mobile recharge. If you want to recharge the Mexico phone, somebody want to recharge the $10 phone, you will add the you will enter the customer's Mexico phone number here, and after that system will ask you how much you want to recharge. Whatever will customer pay you, you can recharge through here. This is a very good feature, and lots of Mexican people are buying this. Okay, next one is here, domestic e-gift card. You also can sell the gift card through this portal. See, once I click on here, you can sell that many gift card through this portal. This is extra money if you promote this product. You don't have to pay anything, already built in POS, one click system. See, you can sell the 1-800 Flower, Elmo, AMC, Applebee, um, Chili's, Domino's Pizza's gift card you can sell. There is a Home Depot, Friday. There's so many. Uber, even the customer can buy the Uber gift card from you. The Xbox. A lot of kids are buying the games. So A lot of parents, they don't want to give their credit card to the kid, so what they do, they buy the gift card. So next one, international gift card. Lots of people also available in here. See, Guatemala gift cards. The other one is, I can say, international mobile recharge. We already talked about. Domestic mobile recharge. Domestic mobile recharge, the one I talked about earlier. You click on here. See, you can recharge AT&T, Boost Mobile, Cricket, Go Smart, H2O, Metro, Net10, Simple, T-Mobile, Ultra Mobile, Verizon Wireless. So what do you do? To just click on the carrier, click on the amount here, click on the plan here, AT&T Go Phone prepaid. Now it will come up the amount. See what if customer, most people can have $65 plan because it's an unlimited plan. You click on the $65, you you enter the customer's phone number and click on the recharge. That's it, ready to go. So you can print the receipt and give it to the customer. You don't have to do anything. Okay, next one I have here. International domestic bill pay. If you want to, you also can accept the sum of the bill payment, but this one is additional feature. You can get approved from the Boss Revolution. They will allow you to. You can also accept the PG&E bill like this. So once I click on the home, there was more here. Once I click on the here, the other feature, Boss Wireless activation. Bosch Wireless is launching this month their own prepaid wireless company like Leica Mobile. They will have $20 a month, unlimited talk, text, data with unlimited calls to 70 plus countries. Those are coming soon. Coming soon. So you also can activate the prepaid SIM cards through this portal. This is the additional feature. I seen one of the store in Sacramento, La Nueva Tandita. This guy is making $5,000 a month by selling everything we have in this portal. When I spoke to him, he say his popular product is a international mobile recharge, Guatemala and Mexico. If you like we say, this POS is a money making machine. You can make lots of money by using this feature. Lots of people complain about this. People are charging $20 per month cloud fees. If you pay them $20 a month, you can make $2,000-3,000 a month by adding the additional product to your store, and you don't have to invest any inventory because it is all prepaid. So if you guys need more information, you always can call us 209 890-8006. If you do not have this POS system, you can call us. We are running a sale. The POS system is only $499 for liquor store. Once again, if you need more information about our company, log into the ahwholesale.com like you are seeing on the screen. So you can call us anytime, or you can send out the WhatsApp message 209-890-8006, or you can contact us through the WeChat. You can find us on just typing AH Brands. So if you need more information, you can go our website, click on here. You can learn more about this POS. We are available all the time, 7 days on week. Personally, you can call us anytime. If you need any help about this POS, even you did not buy from us, we still will help you. That's all for today. Thank you, and you have a nice day.